Hi, hello, welcome to Manama India A to Z channel. Today recipe is Onam special avial recipe. Raw plantain recipe. Plantain 2 NOS, yellow cucumber 1 small cut piece, beans 5 NOS, ladies finger 1 NOS, green chili 2 piece, brinjal half piece or 1 small size 1, snake gourd small cut piece, pumpkin small cut piece, ash gourd 1 small cut piece, onion 1 NOS. Take care to cut the vegetables for avial lengthwise. All the vegetables. Take a cooking vessel, add all the vegetables, add 1 cup water, then flame on high flame. Cook on a high flame till it boils, then medium flame. Ingredients for gravy: grated coconut 1 spoon, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, garlic 5 pieces. Grind it. Lightly crush it as we do for chamandis. Vegetables half cooked, add the gravy. If you have drumsticks, add 1 drumsticks. Then mix it well. Mix it carefully. Add salt. Then mix it. Medium flame. Wait for cooking. Put a pan to the stove. Add 1 spoon coconut oil. Mustard 1 tablespoon added. Then add chopped small onion, dry chili, curry leaves. Fry till light color change of the flame. Then add the avial recipe. Off the flame to change a serving bowl. The tasty and delicious Onam special avial recipe is ready. Thank you for watching.